My name is Abhishek Shah.
And my name is Shweta Shah, and we are the creators of the Android app myMoney.
As millions of Americans lost their jobs due to the current pandemic, many people were not financially prepared to deal with this crisis. In fact, only 32% of Americans have a working budget, and more than half spend more than they earn. A recent survey showed that Americans want to prioritize financial education for this very reason. This was the inspiration behind myMoney, the app that helps teenagers develop strong budgeting and money management skills, which is key to a secure financial future. Let's show you how our app works. When users enter our app for the first time, they're taken to the welcome screen from where they can sign up or log in. Let's create an account. After creating an account, users are given a quick overview of how our app works. Then users are guided through the process of creating their first budget with tips from our mascot. Here, users set a spending limit for the 5 default categories. Just verify your account information and you're ready to go.
Once inside the app, users can start tracking their spending in multiple ways. One way is through manually inputting information about a purchase. New users will be guided through this process. Purchases will be sorted alphabetically so the user can easily find what they're looking for.
Users can also track their spending by scanning a receipt, which uses machine learning technology to gather specific data about the purchase. As you can see, our model identified that the user bought food items from Walmart that cost $46.30. You can then hit Save to save your purchase. Users can choose to view and organize their data by either list or categories. A user can add the category by clicking on the plus button and giving their category a name and budget. The category will then appear in their list of categories. They can also delete categories with the delete button. In the next page of our app, users can create financial goals to improve their spending habits or save up for a new phone, for example. First-time users will be guided through this process. Once they reach their goal, they can mark it as complete or delete it. They can also update a goal in the future simply by clicking on the goal. One of the main goals of our app was to introduce users to various aspects of personal finance, which is why we created a Learn page with a variety of different topics, from designing a spending plan, to setting financial goals, to making smart financial decisions, and more. All of the different components of our app come together on the home page so that they can be easily accessed from one place. At the top, the user is updated on their overall spending and performance for that month. Once users start entering purchases, they will be able to view color-coded progress bars for each category to see how they're doing at a glance, as well as edit their spending limit. There's also a bar at the top where the user can see their total amount spent versus the total amount budgeted. Below, the user can view detailed pie charts to analyze and compare their actual and planned expenses for each category. We also included a goals section to remind users of their upcoming goals. You can click on a goal to update its contents. And that concludes our brief demo of myMoney, the perfect budgeting solution for teens. We programmed this app using Java, Kotlin, and Python, along with XML for the UI. We created this app in the Android Studio IDE, and the backend for our app was powered by Firebase.
And that's it for our presentation. We would like to thank Representative George Holding and the Congressional App Challenge for giving us this opportunity.